Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday I have taught you about the three different ranges of the Himalayas. What are they called? How are they? What are grown there, etc. So three ranges of the Himalayas are Upper Himalaya or Himadri, Middle Himalaya or Himachal, Lower Himalaya or Shivalik range. Understand, the Upper Himalaya is always covered with snow throughout the year. It is the home of many rivers because there are many glaciers here which give birth to the rivers of North India like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, etc. Understand? Then comes the Himachal range, which is very pleasant place, I can say. On the slopes of the on the slopes we have few softwood trees, and there are many valleys here, and we can have some important hill stations and holy places, Amarnath, Kedarnath and Badrinath. Understand? And Shimla, Masuri, Raniket and Nainital are the hill stations here. Same way Shivalik range, it is not covered, it is low like hills. They are in the eastern part of our country. Understand? On the slopes are the hills surface is made of soft mud and stones. Understand? Here you can find valuable forests with good wood, and it is the home for many wild animals. Understand? And it has a broad valleys called dunes. One of the example is Dehradun. So now the states which are located in this Himalayan mountain area are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and northeastern states. And today we are going to learn about some states which are located in this Himalayan mountain region. So first of all, let us know about Jammu and Kashmir. So today few we are learning tomorrow few. So today we are learning about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state of India. It is at the top of our country. Okay, it is known as the heaven on the earth. Very, very, very beautiful state in our country. Understand? So it is defined as the heaven on the earth. Understand? And Srinagar is its capital. It has two capitals, children. Every state has one. For example, Telangana has Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bengaluru. Only one capitals. But Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. One winter capital, one summer capital. So Jammu, Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is summer capital. It is summer capital. And Shimla is winter capital. Shimla is winter capital. Understand? This is how it has two capitals. Understand? The people here mainly speak three languages: Kashmiri, Dogri and Urdu language they speak. One more, Ladakhi language. Ladakh is also the part of Kashmir. But in the before 6 months, I can say, it was included in our states group. It was one of the states of our country. But now Jammu and Kashmir is union territory. Union territory. It is considered as the union territory of our country. And even Ladakh, which I told, the part of Jammu and Kashmir, it is also the union territory. It is also the union territory. Okay. So, here so many beautiful places are there to see, sightseeing places. Shalimar Gardens is one of them. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. He built it. And there are two beautiful lakes here, Ullar Lake and Dal Lake. They are very famous for boating. And houseboats are also found in these lakes. Shikaras shikaras are small boats which people of Kashmir row here to sell the flowers, vegetables and fruits to the people who are staying in these houseboats. Understand? So we can say the beauty of houseboats and shikaras are the prominent features of tourism. So they are the very important things, shikaras and houseboats, which we find in the lakes of Jammu and Kashmir. They are the most important features, attractions for the tourists, I can say. And people here, what do? Kashmiri people are used to the cold climate of this people. This place, Jammu and Kashmir. Here, what happens. Summer is cool, pleasant, whereas winter is very, very, very extremely cold. Snowfall is there and very cool. Even water in the rivers also freeze. Such a cool climate it will be. So people protect themselves from this cold climate in their own way. What do they do for that? They use a kind of fire fire instrument, I can call. Kangri. They use kangri. Kangri is nothing but a small pot with fire in it. It is a small pot with burning coals which keep them warm in their house. And they wear a different variety of clothes called firan. Their dress is called firan. Both men and women wear firan. Firan is nothing but a woolen garment and salwar. Salwar pant. Okay. Then they drink a special kind of tea called kahwa. They drink a special kind of tea called kahwa. Okay. Ladakh was the part of Jammu and Kashmir previously, but now it is also separate union territory, and Jammu and Kashmir is also a union territory. Previously there were 7 union territories. Now Jammu and Kashmir is 8th. Ladakh is also 9. Ladakh is also union territory. Okay. So once again I repeat, Kashmir is the most beautiful place on the earth, I can say. It is in our country and it is a very cool place in our country. Summers are too cool. People like to visit these places in summer. Srinagar and Jammu are the two capitals of this country, state, or I can call it union territory. Now let me call it state, one and the same. So, Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of this place. People here speak Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi and Urdu languages. And you find so many beautiful places here. One is Shalimar Gardens. Beautiful garden it is. It was built by Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Then two famous lakes are there here. They are Ullar Lake and Dal Lake. They are the main tourist attractions. Why? Because here these have two types of boats called shikaras and houseboats. These are the attractions for the people who come here. Understand? Houseboats are the houses on the boat. People stay there. And shikaras are small boats which are used to row all around in the lakes. And mostly they are used by Kashmiri vendors. They sell vegetables, fruits and flowers to the people who live in houseboats. Understand? And then people here live different life because it is cool climate. It is not matching to any other part of our country. So here people use a special type of fire instrument called kangri. Kangri is nothing but one pot with burning coals which keeps them warm. And they wear a special kind of dress called firan. Firan means a jubba type woolen garment with salwar down. And they drink a special kind of tea called kahwa. Understand? Then here during the summer season, because winter and rainy season not suitable for growing anything here, fully covered with snow. That's why during summer they grow here rice, maize, rajma, vegetables, fruits and saffron. What crops do they grow here in summer, not in winter or rainy season? Rajma, rice, saffron which we use for sweets, then maize and vegetables and fruits. Apple, among all, apple is the main fruit grown here. And it is famous for, Kashmir is famous for handicrafts. Pashmina shawl is very important. Understand, shawls and sweaters of Kashmir are very, very famous all over the world. The number of tourists visit this state every year. Main tourist attraction places are Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Vaishnav Devi and Amarnath. Vaishnav Devi and Amarnath are holy places. Shalimar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam are hill stations. So many people come here. Ladakh is situated to the northeastern part, somewhere here, up, okay. If we take northeastern part, somewhere here, Ladakh, it is the highest part of our country, we can say. It is, now I told you, it is also union territory. Understand? People of Ladakh rear a special type of buffalo-like animals called yak. Understand? And Pashmina sheep also they rear for making the shawls. And they follow Buddhism. They follow Buddhism. Understand? Main festival in Kashmir are Eid and Shivratri. What festivals they celebrate? Eid and Shivratri. Most of the people here are Muslims. So Eid is the main festival. Hindus, because two great places, Kedarnath and Amarnath, Shiva shrines are there here, holy places. So they celebrate Shivratri festival. Understand? This is all about Kashmir. Once again I repeat, Kashmir is the northernmost state of India. Now it is considered as the union territory. Understand? Srinagar and Jammu are the two capitals of this state. Ladakh is one more union territory which was first it was included in Jammu and Kashmir, but now they are split and made as two union territories. So you know, Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Srinagar is the summer capital. Jammu is the winter capital. People here speak Pahadi languages, their own languages like Dogri, Kashmiri, Ladakhi, and Urdu. And this place, Kashmir, is known as the heaven on the earth. It is so beautiful, the most beautiful place on the earth. Understand? So, many tourists visit this place. What are the tourist attractions here? You know, this has one very beautiful garden called Shalimar Garden, which was built by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Understand? Then Kashmir is famous for two lakes, Dal Lake and one more, what lake? Ullar Lake. And what are there in this? Shikaras and houseboats are there. These are the main attractions for the tourists. People here use kangri to keep them warm. What is kangri? Kangri is a kind of pot with burning coals. They carry with them all along or even at home also, which keeps them warm. And they drink a special tea called kahwa. And their dress is called firan. Both men and women wear firan, long shirt with salwar. This firan is made of woolen. Understand? They celebrate two festivals, Shivratri and Eid. During summer, they grow few crops like rice, rajma, vegetables, fruits, maize, and what to say, saffron. You know saffron, kumkumpu antaru meer, kesar, which we use in sweets. Understand? The main tourist places here are Vaishnav Devi and Amarnath. These are the holy places. Then Pahalgam, Shimla, and one more place called Gulmarg are the hill stations. Shimla, Srinagar, Gulmarg and Pahalgam are the hill stations. Vaishnav Devi and Amarnath are the holy places here. Understand? Ladakh is situated in the northeastern part of Kashmir, and here people follow Buddhism and they breed two animals, Pashmina sheep and yaks. And here handicrafts is most famous industry of this place. Now let us know about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is one more state in this northern mountain area. Understand? And its capital is also Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. People here mostly speak Hindi, and it is famous for orchards. Yesterday I told you. Means fruit gardens. Apple and plum are grown in plenty here. Understand? People's main occupation main work is farming. They grow rice, maize, barley, fruits and vegetables. What do they grow? Rice, maize, barley, fruits and vegetables. They rear sheep also. They breed sheep also for wool. Men and women wear tops and pyjamas as we wear in our places. And they wear men wear a special kind of round cap which is embroidered cap. And women wear scarves called dhaju. Scarf, you know, stole antar meeru alantidi. The one which is worn by the women of Himachal Pradesh, it is called dhaju. It is nothing but a kind of scarf. Okay. Then the main festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dasara. Main festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dasara. And major tourist centers are Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali. Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali are the main hill stations here. Where? In Himachal Pradesh. This is the small thing about Himachal Pradesh. Once again I repeat, Himachal Pradesh is to the bottom, to the western side of Jammu and Kashmir. Its capital is Shimla. It is famous for its orchards, fruit gardens, and people here speak Hindi language. Their main festival is Dasara, and main tourist centers or hill stations of Himachal Pradesh are Darjeeling, Dalhousie, Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Mussoorie. Dalhousie, Kulu, Manali and Shimla are the main hill stations here. And main occupation of the people is farming. They grow rice, maize, vegetables, fruits, barley, etc. And men wear top and paisama. Even women also wear the same type of dress. And men wear round cap, embroidered cap, designed cap. And women wear a scarf called dhaju. This is all about Himachal Pradesh. So we are going to stop here today. Tomorrow we will study about some other states like West Bengal and northeastern states, etc. So thank you, children.